Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Our prestigious this Raj Bhavan open to the people as a monument, and I would like to declare, because previously some objection on the side of the governor was there, in this program I am publicly declaring that new Raj Bhavan residence for the governor is accepted. The offer given by the Chief Minister is accepted by the present government. I am not finding fault with anybody. I am not blaming any other governors occupied in this chair. I would like to publicly declare my policy that governors are bound to furnish information to the people, and people are supreme. Case before the Supreme Court, orphanages, old age houses and hospitals and other things. And as far as possible, maximum fund may be pumped into that direction, and hereafter more and more service you can expect from this Raj Bhavan, and I am soliciting the help of the people from all walks of life, irrespective of caste, creed, religion and politics. Please help us, and we will be with you. With these few words, I am concluding my speech. Thank you very much.
But out of the way also, they are working for the community. Even though Kalyan Ashram are sagre NGO, and they are not working for the payment, they are working for the community. They are working for the people. म्हाका खबर आसा ते मनांतल्यान काम करता, ते इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन काम करता. त्या खातीर NGO चलोवपी सगळ्या संस्थांचे, NGOन काम करपी विशेष करून स्टाफाचे हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. तुमच्या सारकेल्या कामाची अजूनही आमकां अशाच पद्दतीन गरज आसा.